What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I am just getting off work now and I'm gonna take a stroll to downtown because last time I tried this, my camera kind of messed up on me, my GoPro. So we're gonna try it out one more time. The weather is a cool 54 degrees right now, so I'm taking advantage of this. I'm gonna take you guys for a stroll with me through downtown. If you're new to the channel, I make Super 73 content for now, looking to expand in the future to other e-motor vehicles. So if you enjoy this type of content, drop a like and consider subscribing. If you just joined the channel here recently, thank you. I appreciate you guys jumping on board, and I'm looking forward to making more content for you guys. I forgot to mention this in my last video, but I got my iPhone 10 back after being fixed. I have several accessories for it, so I'm using it now with a speedometer. I've heard some feedback about having it, and so I'm gonna try it. I actually got the idea too from Mr. Central Driver, and he's in California, and I follow his channel, and check him out when you guys get an opportunity. But makes great content about e-bikes and all sorts of e-boards. Pretty cool. So this street in front of me is pretty much where downtown begins. We don't have a huge downtown like other major cities here, but yeah, this is pretty much it. That's here on the right we have Cardinal Stadium from the minor leagues, and that's where we get to play. I believe also MSU, which is just down the street, play some games there, but don't quote me on that. Guys, in my last video I was talking about CES happening in Las Vegas at the moment, and Super 73 was supposed to show their new bikes, but according to them they retracted from the show due to COVID, and we have yet to hear anything on the new Super 73 bikes. Hoping that they're going to drop something soon. I'd like to see what they got in store. Here on my right we have a small park here in downtown, and next to it we have an ice skating ring. It's more like a small arena. But yeah, you can come here in the winter to do some ice skating. It's the Jordan Valley Ice Park. Technically, that's the name. Have an AT&T calling center here to our left. Downtown Springfield has been getting a lot of remodel buildings. Actually, this building here on my right is brand new. There was nothing here before. I believe it's an apartment building in there. Yeah, lots of apartment buildings and studios for students from the university, from MSU in the area. By the way, today I'm riding the R. Yep. Just trying to get out before winter really hits the Midwest. We have a lot of bars and restaurants here in the area. Hollywood theaters here on my right. Springfield Brewing here on my right, guys. It's one of the hometown breweries. Springfield Brewing Company. See what else we got here. Take you guys back to the square. Another thing, guys, a couple days ago I saw a post on Reddit, someone trying to purchase a Super 73 and their order got canceled. And so they were asking if anyone knew about it, and I actually did know about it. The same thing happened to me with my credit card, and like 5 months ago when I first purchased my bike, and I had to contact Super 73, and after about a day and a half they were able to clear my account, and it was not Super 73 but their third-party fraud company. I get it, they do it for security reasons. Once I got it resolved though, I was able to get this bike that I'm riding at the moment. But this person had the same issue. I told them about the situation, what happened to me, and what they should do, because Super 73 provided the phone number to the fraud company, so that way I could try and get that sorted out. So when this post went live, it was nighttime, and so I just suggested wait till the next day, try to contact them. And so the person got back to me yesterday, and they said that Super 73 told them that they've had the same issues with lots of online orders, and they couldn't do anything else about it, which I thought was kind of weird. So that's a lost sale for Super 73. So has anyone had this issue before? What did you do about it? Yeah, drop a comment below, because I was able to fix my situation, and the person wasn't. So they, from what we spoke last time, because we were messaging each other, they were not looking to buy a bike anymore. So I don't know. I think it's a situation that Super 73 really needs to look into. I get why they're doing it, but why some people and why not others? If it's like a lottery system, some people do, some people don't, that's cool. But still, lost sale. Yeah, so yeah, that was pretty weird. Sucks for that person and for Super 73 as well. But yeah, what do you guys think about that? Let me know. Drop a comment below, please. I don't know what was honking back there for. They were surely not honking at me, so I don't know. But yeah, this is pretty much downtown, guys. We don't have a huge downtown here in Springfield, Missouri. Just a lot of old buildings, a lot of history here in this town. Let's see what else I can get into, and then we're gonna head back to the house after this. This is pretty much it for downtown Springfield. It's not very big. At night, some nights it gets pretty lit up here, but most nights it's pretty quiet down, I would say. Probably a lot of people would say, a lot of younger people would think that. LV to my left. Hey, thank you. Alright, so we talked about Super 73 not showing up at CES 2022, and we talked about the issues with purchasing a Super 73. Well, I think they really need to look into that. I don't know, have better communication with their fraud company, third party. I don't know, man. They just need to get that sorted out, because people are not able to buy bikes. And there is already a wait for these bikes, for you to receive these bikes. So yeah, they need to fix that issue. This has been my nice 15-minute ride in downtown. I'll try to cut it up for you guys so that way it makes it more interesting, I think. And how about the fun on this Super 73? I love riding this bike. I do a mix of pedaling and throttle. I like both. Let me know how you ride your Super 73. Do you mainly do throttle or do you like to pedal? I like both. I like to put it on mode 2 and 3 because then you get more resistance when you pedal. So I'm gonna leave you guys on this street. This street here is full of old houses. I hope I can get a decent shot for you guys on the video. Some of these houses here, man, they gotta be passed on from family to family. Yeah, these are probably some of the first houses built in this town. It was somewhere in the 1800s. Springfield definitely is a cool, different spot to be in or to come to visit. Video. Remember, if you enjoyed, drop a like. If you want to see more, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. I think I'm supposed to have nice weather the next few days, so maybe I'll do more riding and recording for you guys. It's fun. See you guys next time. Peace.